Hello everybody, this is the girls section for mendhi, laga, rakhna. I already explained the concept in the guys version, so if you're gonna watch that, you can watch that. It's basically guys versus girls, middle stage. So girls will be on the left side, guys will be on the right side, and let's get started with the girls quarter. Right, so it'll be lunge out with your left knee, and point with your right. So this is Ye munde gali ke gunde. So that's Ye munde, roll and go down and point. Make a fighting pose, anything, right? But you'll be doing that on the side. So one time for the front, and then I'll do it on the side. So Ye munde gali ke gunde, like that. All right. Let's try on the side. All the girls will be here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, ye munde, galike gunde. Okay? Right after galike gunde, I want you to tilt your head to the left 3 times. Just like in the music video. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? So ye gunde, galike gunde, 2, 3, okay? Alright, right after that, the guys do theirs. 1, 2, 3. And then now it's us. So the girls will be 1, point out with your right. 2, point out with your left. Bring it around. And hit. So I do that facing forward. It's here. 1, 2, around. Hit. Okay? That is Ye munde galike gunde. Okay? And then they get up, the guys do their 2 count, and the girls will be galike gunde. So for that, it's take your right step and do baby steps. And when you're doing that, just go right, left, 1, 2, shimmy. Or go like galike gunde, shake. Do something fun, you know, make it natural. Just come up a little bit. So if I'm back here, galike gunde, you know, don't look obviously there, look there, but galike gunde. And then the guys section starts, first half for the guys. So the girls, all they have to do is just the knee bounce, hands on the hip, doesn't matter where, and just go back to your side. Right? You knee bounce, and then after a while, if you want, try to knee bounce across your arms, whatever, do something, talk, right? Make looks, you know, it'll be fun. Okay? After that, the girls section starts. So Shrey is sitting down. We're gonna have one of her friends come up and grab her, 1 or 2. I'll grab her by the hand. She's like, no, no, no. Go grab her. She runs. Okay? And then her choreo starts, so she'll do the first count. It's like Sera saja kirakana, Chera chupa kirakana, something like this. Okay? And then all the girls will catch on the second verse. So just do knee bounces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in, out, in, out. Okay? That's Sera saja kirakana, Chera chupa kirakana. Okay? And then ye dil ki baat apni, dil mein baja ke rakhna. Okay? So it's 1, hold, 2, and lean left, lean right, and turn left. You're going to be facing the guys now. All with knee bounces. I don't know which leg, but I think we'll just do right for now. So, okay? And now you're doing this choreo while moving forward. So have the hands like this and swipe cross your eyebrows, I guess. Or I think it's like she's making a veil. I don't know, but 1, 2, 3, 4, and close your hands like you're praying, and go backwards. 4 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.